Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we would be discussing about the jobs that I have posted recently. So let's talk about job opening 7826. Workday companies hiring for senior associated technical support analyst at Pune location, India. So you can apply with this link. Let me show you. So whatever the job that I have posted, everything I have been I'm pulling the jobs from company websites. So there is no spam in the job, so you can reliably apply for them. So basically, this is the job. It is posted today itself. So do not forget to apply before the job expires. So they're looking for someone who have these qualifications, and these are other qualifications which will help you like an advantage to get selected. And this is the role they're looking for. So basically, the check you if you want, you can apply the job from by just clicking on applies, and you can move forward. So let's talk about job number 7825. Microchip technology companies hiring for software test AI development tools at India, Chennai. So you can apply with this link. And job opening 7824. PepsiCo companies hiring for customer executive sales at Nadia, West Bengal location, India. You can apply to the job through this link. And job opening 7823. Silicon Labs companies hiring for associate chip digital architect with 10 plus years of experience at Hyderabad location. You can apply the job to this with this link. Job opening 7922. Synechron companies hiring for QA automation engineer at Pune, Hinjawadi location in India. You can apply to the job with this link. Job opening 7821. Elastic companies hiring for project coordinator at the Bangalore location, India. You can apply to the job with this link. And Careerya job opening 7920. PepsiCo companies hiring for business development manager, global inputs. Location is in multiple. It means they're hiring for multiple locations across the globe, or if India maybe. Yeah, it is across the globe. So in India, they're hiring at Goodwill. In other location, they're hiring. Okay. You can click on apply now and you can move forward. And job opening 7819. Zoho Corporation company is hiring for technical support engineers at India location. You can apply to the job with this link. And job opening 7818. Avalara company is hiring for manager role, software engineer.net at remote, and you can apply through this link. So basically, a Valera company is something, it has most of the roles remote. So if someone is looking for remote job openings, I recommend you take a look at this company's job openings. And job number 7817, PepsiCo company is hiring for manager, tech strategy supply chain at Hyderabad location. You can apply to this job using this link. And job opening 7816. Microchip technology companies hiring for senior client engagement manager, India, Pune. You can apply to this job using this link. So basically, guys, I'm posting jobs for every 5 minutes. So please do follow my profile, Trakaste. I would be sharing the link of my profile in the description so that you will be getting the job updates for every 5 minutes. And job opening 7813. AT&T company is hiring for Salesforce architect. Location is in Hyderabad, and you can apply to the job using this link. And job opening 7812. NXP Semiconductors company is hiring for sales manager. Bangalore location. You can apply to the job using this link. And yeah, job opening 7911. MathWorks company is hiring for the Ananda Sagar College of Engineering MATLAB ambassador. The location is in Bangalore. You can apply to the job with Sleek. Let me show you that job because the title is a bit different. So if you see the title is correct only, Daniel Sutter College of Engineering, MATLAB Ambassador. So yeah, these are the requirements. I think this is for students. So better you apply to this job using apply now. Yes. Yep. I think that what I wanted to share. Please do follow my profile. There are a number of jobs I posted and I'm posting every day. Yeah, that's it. Do not forget to subscribe my channels. Thank you and have a great day.